Now right here, whenever possible, go ahead and get yourself some fresh parsley. You know, fresh herbs are like the best. And right here, I'm just going ahead, I'm just dicing them up, getting them ready. And then, you know, I just wanted to make like at least a quarter cup. You can make a little bit more because at the end, you want to save a little bit so you can get your garnish together. And then right here, again, you know what, fresh is best. This is some live basil. Hey, hands down, fresh basil, fresh parsley is the best. Now right here, I already got 4 cups of ricotta cheese already in the bowl. Then you want to add your 2 eggs. We're going to add our Parmesan, our mozzarella, our fresh herbs. And don't forget, we're going to save some of our basil and some of the parsley. Just enough at the, you know, for when we're done cooking at the end, we want to garnish. So again, don't forget you want to add your salt and your black pepper. After that, then you want to mix it all together and then we go from there. Now the one thing you guys didn't see me do, and that's boil large jumbo pasta. There was no need for me to do that, to show you how to do that. So listen, when you buy them, it's just 1 box of large jumbo shells and just follow the instructions. So when you're done, you want to let them cool and that makes them easy to handle when you get ready to start putting your stuff in. After you have all of your ingredients in your bowl, this right here is where you want to mix them all well, get them mixed thoroughly, then set them off to the side. Go ahead and get your dish that you're going to be, you know, baking in. And here I'm using Emeril's Homestyle marinara. Listen, I love it. This is like the best, you know, the best store-bought marinara that I've ever tasted. Eventually, I'm going to do a video on how to make a marinade, you know, from scratch. But right now, you know what I mean, for our busy schedule and, you know, you're looking for that great taste, this right here is the one. Now what you saw there was I just coated the bottom of our bacon dish, you know, just lightly with a little bit of the marinara sauce. And here you see me sprinkling some herbs. This part right here is truly optional. And then you'll see me sprinkling some cheese. Again, it's just optional. I just like the way it looks. So once we're done, you know, coating the bottom, if you do this step, fine. If you don't, that's good too. That's cool too. Go ahead and get yourself a freezer bag. Now listen, this is going to be like a little pro tip. This is what's going to make it easy to stuff your shells. Instead of you taking a spoon and stuffing them, listen, you want to fill up your Ziploc bag. You know, you want to completely fill it up with all your ricotta cheese and all your stuffing. You want to put that in there, seal the bag, and look. Then we're going to cut the corner and we're going to squeeze it. And we're going to use that corner to insert inside the jumbo shells. And that's how we're going to stuff them. Now after you cut the corner, listen, you just want to insert the corner inside. You want to open up the jumbo shell and then you just want to insert it, squeeze the Ziploc bag, and just, it depends on how much stuffing you want to put in there. You know what I mean? That's totally up to you. But you can see right here, look, the more you put in there, the bigger they are. I love the cheesy ricotta, you know, mozzarella taste. You know, to me, that's the Italian flavor. I love it, so I stuff them kind of big. Now right now your mouth should be watering. Look, here we go. Just add a little of the marinade sauce, you know, inside of a scoop. You can use a spoon or you can actually pour it. This way, by me using this little scoop right here, this was you know, where I had a little bit of control. I just added some lightly over the top, came back with some mozzarella cheese and then some Parmesan cheese and then sprinkled some herbs over the top, and then we put it in the oven. Listen, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna put it in the oven for about 15, it depends on your oven, so I'm gonna say anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, and I forgot to tell you this, listen, we gotta go ahead and put some foil over the top. So when we go in the oven, that's 15 to 20 minutes with it covered with foil, and then we bring it out and we take a look at it. Now for me, after 17 minutes, I removed it from the oven. I turned my oven up to 400 degrees. I removed the foil and then I put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes or until all the cheese is melted at that 400 degrees. And that there is stuffed pasta shells.